what we're going to do is we're going to serve it up. Now, how are we going to do this? Well, two ways. Let me get a fork. Okay, so now we can want to do this one or two ways. You can serve this. Well, it's probably more. I just what I'm thinking of. Now, underneath there, I don't know if you can see it. You can't see it, but take it's brown underneath there. I can feel it. It's brown. So now, on a tray, in front of the TV, bit of brown sauce, lovely jubbly. Now, you can either do it that way, or you can get your piece of cheese on toast. Oh, this is, you should smell this. My mouth is watering. And you get a big knife like this, and a fork, and you cut it into slices, or it doesn't matter slices, but just cut it so you can pick it up with your fingers. So that's 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at that! Look at that, sir, and madam. So we got another plate like that. So you put that over there. Like this one, like that, like that. There we are. We've got that.